guys. Yeah, all you guys. That's right. So today we're gonna have a massive leg sessions. As I said to you before, here's a Burpee, so you get to work out. So today we're gonna be doing legs. I'm doing about 8 different exercises, mostly compound movement. So in the description below, I'm gonna drop the workout routine so you can add it to the session. Alright. So first, I'm gonna start with my movement prep. Essentially get the muscles warm up, fill the blood for the pump. Alright? So at my foam roll, you guys can get PVC, I'll get the foam roll, and just get ready for the exercise. Alright, so I'm just gonna do it. So the movement prep, so first thing. Alright? Some knee pulls. Alright? It's always an injury-free program. Alright? Always an injury-free program. Put the ground up one now. And so that's it, that's the exercise. And that's it. You need to go forward. So it's soft tissue actually. And let's say getting the muscles warm ready. I got injured in the street. So, super soft tissue. Get them calves out. But when the session is finished, just go forward. And guys, remember, please, don't subscribe to my barber. He's loving it right now. Yeah. I was still going to put his Instagram name on somewhere in the screen or in the description. Support the ball, man. Massive cut to get me. Alright, so for the foam roll, you can do 10 of each leg. Alright. Or each side, actually. I like to do the adductors and the Achilles. Very important. They don't do too much about the step. Just get the adductors ready. It's all muscle tissue, so you gotta do too much work. But when you finish, go good. Oh, wow. Alright, so we're going through a movement prep. Now we're going to jump straight into exercise. We're doing barbell box squat. So warm up. 2 sets of 10. And then add some weight to 2 sets of 8. Then you're going to get 5 sets of 10. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing. So, just finished a massive leg session. 5 exercises actually. The routine description, check the description for the routine. Also, we'll post a little bit of notes on the screen so you can watch it and, you know, improve your leg exercise. I mean, you get massive legs, guys. I mean, subscribe, comment, tell me what you want to see next. Loads of content to put together for you guys. So jump in the comment section. Let me know what's up. I'm sweating. I'm it. Just Mike's Best Life Fitness.
And guys, remember to like and share.
Share, comment. I didn't say that. But yeah, like, share, comment, and now I drop a vlog too. So watch out for your vlogs too, you see me? Fusion Fitness. You know we do it. Shout out to Jeff, cameraman.